So what you can also do using ChatGPT is generate out CV for jobs that you're applying. Let's say, for example, I am a graphic designer. I'm going to type this: designer with 10 years of work experience in the industry and am a graphics design graduate as well. I am familiar with Adobe Creative Cloud, Corel Draw, and major design applications, which is standard in the industry. And then I'm going to also say I'm also familiar with web apps such as Pixlr and Canva, just like this. Pixlr and Canva. And I'm going to go around and say my name is Peter right here, just like this, and this is what you have. So I'm now going to give a prompt: generate a CV for me to apply in a company called Green Space Limited, right here, just like this. So I gave a bunch of detail, and I said generate a CV for me to apply to a company called Green Space Limited. So once I go around and do that, now you can see that it actually generated out this particular format, as you can see right here. So now you can see that it is asking me to add in different let's say information right here, and it added in the objective right here and education as well. And it's a senior graphic designer. You can see that it added in work experience, skills, and portfolio. It is asking me to add in a link and so forth, as you can see right here. That is what you have. So now what you can also do is generate this out as an HTML document, so it has the formatting as well. So now I'm going to go around and say format this as an HTML document for an A4 size paper and use different formatting styles for text with different colors right here, just like this. So I'm just going to go around and do that and press enter, and what happens is that it'll give me an HTML file, as you can see right here. So it is adding in some style, as you can see right here, and then you can see that this is what you have. So every information that it is giving me up here, it is actually giving me this in the format of web, as you can see. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and copy out this code, and then I'm going to go around onto an application like Notepad and paste this code out. So I'm going to go around and save this as, and then on my desktop, I'm just going to select all file right here, and I'm going to go around and say cv.html. I'm going to make sure that the extension is HTML right here, and I'm going to go around and click on save. Once I do that, I got my HTML file, and I'm just going to bring it around onto my browser. And now you can see that this is what you have right here. So there you go. There's the name right here, and there's the graphic designer, and everything is formatted. And I can actually go around and print this out as well. So you can go around and see that this is in A4 size paper format right here, just like this. And you can actually go around and print it out right here. I can go around over here and let's say, for example, scale it out right here. So this is in default, as you can see right here. So you can go around and let's say, for example, you can just set up the margins as you like, right? right here, just like this. So you can go around and further copy this out in Microsoft Word and then change it out as you like as well. Or you can just give information and regenerate out the code so that you can just go around and bring it around over here. And that is how you can go around and generate out a CV using ChatGPT. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.